How to use MetaMask wallet. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, let us understand what MetaMask is. MetaMask is a crypto wallet and gateway to blockchain apps primarily designed for the Ethereum network. It allows users to store Ethereum, ETH, and ERC20 tokens. It also helps interact with decentralized applications such as Uniswap, OpenSea, and more, and also manages multiple wallets and networks like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. So firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for metamask.io, or you can also open your app store and tap on the search bar there and search for MetaMask and download the application. Now go ahead and open the application and tap on the create a wallet option you see there and agree to the terms and conditions. MetaMask will display a 12-word secret recovery phrase, also called a seed phrase. Write it down on a paper and store it safely, and make sure not to share this phrase with anyone as it gives access to your wallet. Also, confirm the phrase by selecting the words in the correct order and set a strong password. Now, firstly, let us see how to fund your MetaMask wallet. Option 1. Receive ETH from another wallet or exchange. So open MetaMask and tap on account to view your wallet address, and then copy the address or scan the QR code. Also, send ETH from another wallet, example Coinbase or Binance, to your MetaMask address. And option 2, buy ETH directly in MetaMask. Tap on the buy option within MetaMask and then choose a payment provider, example MoonPay or Transact. Follow the prompts to buy ETH using a credit or debit card or bank transfer. And now, to send tokens from MetaMask, open MetaMask and tap on the send option you see there. Now, paste the recipient's wallet address and ensure it's an Ethereum compatible address. Further, enter the amount of ETH or tokens you want to send. Make sure to adjust the gas fee, choose low, medium, or high, and tap on the confirm button to complete the transactions. And to swap tokens using MetaMask, open MetaMask and tap on the swap button you see there and choose the token you want to swap from, example ETH, and swap to USDT or other options as such. Further, enter the amount and review the estimated gas fee and slippage, and then tap on the swap option and confirm the transaction. So this was about MetaMask wallet tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.